welcome back to my channel. So today we're gonna do an unboxing and kind of like a fragrance try-on from REBL Scents. So let's just go ahead and start the unboxing right away. So first of all, when you open up the box, you have a little card that says thank you for your purchase. It has their Instagram tag on it, and that's awesome. Packaging with the sparkly gold foil and the branded pink packaging is adorable. I love their branding so far, and everything literally smells so good. Like, I wish you could smell this with me right now. So the set of perfumes that I'm unboxing, which I'm totally obsessed with, is the Total Bombshell Collection from REBL. And this collection features scents that are fresh, flowery, fruity, and vanilla, which is literally super feminine, but it's also very powerful, and I think that it's the perfect scent for me to wear. We're gonna start with the first one. Let's take a note real quick. Look at how big this package is. It's huge. Like, I don't even want to know what a designer would charge for this, or like how much you would have to pay for a box of perfume this size from Ulta or Sephora. So I'm really excited to dig right in. This is called Fancy Pink by Johann B. Paris. And this is actually an eau de parfum, not an eau de toilette, which makes the price of this product even more incredible. Okay, let's take a moment to appreciate this packaging. Oh my god, I love it so much. This little bow is everything. So now I'm gonna go ahead and do the smell try on. So Fancy Pink from Johann B features top notes of strawberry and apple. The heart features sweet pea, freesia, jasmine, and rose, and the base notes are raspberry, sandalwood, and amber. So this is gonna be unbelievable, but this bottle only retails for $22 on REBL Scents. Everything is linked down below, and on top of that, you can use my code LADYCODE20 to get 20% off your first purchase. So I don't know what you're waiting for, but I'm sure you want to see the rest of the fragrances in my box. So now we're gonna go to the next one. This is Pure Pink for Women, and this is by Karen Lowe Paris. This packaging is obviously a little bit smaller, but the amount of perfume that you're still getting is still a pretty good amount. It's 3.4 fluid ounces, and this is also eau de parfum. This is Pure Pink. Let's go ahead and do the smell test. Pure Pink features top notes of tangerine, orange, blackcurrant, lemon, bergamot, and pineapple. The heart notes are lily of the valley, apple, rose, peach, and jasmine, and the base notes are raspberry, sandalwood, amber, and rosewood. This one came off a lot more powerful. You could really smell it. It was very flirty and very feminine. This one is also feminine, but it's more like, it has like a bossy vibe to it. So when they're talking about like the girl boss aspect of the Bombshell package, they're definitely talking about this fragrance, and you will not believe this, you guys. This is actually only $14 on rebelscents.com. Okay, up next, I'm gonna go for the other gigantic box. This is another one from Johann B. Paris. This is another eau de parfum. Maybe they're all eau de parfums. We'll find out. This is 2.8 fluid ounces on the inside, but the packaging is just like super extra and super cute. Oh my gosh, you guys, look at this little guy. This is so cute. It has like an all red bottle. It has like the studs up here. It's so cute. So now let's go ahead and do the smell test on Delice Volée, and I'm sure I botched the pronunciation of the name of this. Delice Volée's top notes are grapefruit, pink peppercorn, pear, and blackcurrant. The heart features rose, jasmine, heliotrope, and the base is vanilla, patchouli, amberwood, and cedarwood. This one retails for $29. Okay, so do you guys know how this bottle has like a holiday vibe to it? This honestly has like a festive scent to it. Like, I would wear this to like a holiday party. It doesn't smell like Christmas. It smells more like warm family gatherings. It's just like a very cozy smell. I don't know how to describe it, but hopefully my references to the notes kind of helped out. Up next, we have the one that I have been the most excited for. I have seen these Moschino perfume bottles everywhere. They're so adorable, and I finally have one of my own thanks to REBL Scents. This packaging is so cute. It's like super legit. This is like the most on-brand packaging for me that I have ever seen in my life. So freaking cute. It's like a little cleaning bottle. Does it spray? Nope. It doesn't spray like this. That would have been epic, but this is actually how you spray it. Let's go ahead and do the smell test. To be honest, I don't even care what it smells like because the bottle is so cute. The top notes for Pink Fresh Couture by Moschino is pink grapefruit, lily of the valley, and cassis. The heart notes are pomegranate, pink jacinth, and wild rose, and the base notes are cedarwood, ambrox, and musk. You guys literally won't believe this, but this is only $22 on rebelscents.com. And of course, if you use my coupon code LADYCODE20, you actually get 20% off of that. So that is like an unbeatable deal for something this incredible. So this exact same bottle of the Moschino 1.7 fluid ounce perfume is actually $62 at Sephora, and on rebelscents.com it's only $22. So this is the real deal. Everything is legit, everything smells so good, and I just really support Rebel Scents because they're allowing the opportunity for every girl to get perfumes at an affordable price. So this fragrance is Romance in Florence, and this is another pretty big box. So I'm excited to see what the packaging looks like inside. This bottle is so unique and cute. It's very like French. This fragrance was made in France, and it actually kind of tilts on the bottom. It's an angle, so you can set it down like this. So that's actually really cute. Let's go ahead and see what this one smells like. Romance in Florence has top notes of quince and grapefruit. The heart notes are iris, jasmine, and hyacinth, and the base notes are amber, cedarwood, and white musk. Retails for only $22 on rebelscents.com. So the last one is Live Colorfully by Kate Spade. It's only $28, which is incredible, and the packaging is totally cute and on point. So the top notes in Live Colorfully is mandarin and pink water lily. The heart notes are star anise, tiara, and gardenia, and coconut water, and the base notes are sheer amber, musk, and vanilla. So that is it. That is the Total Bombshell Collection. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope it was helpful, and I hope it gave you guys an idea of what everything smells like. If you still want to find the right fragrance for you, you can actually go online to rebelscents.com and you can take a personality quiz. So they will actually match you up based on your personality with the fragrance that's best for you. My perfume collection right now is totally on point thanks to Rebel Scents because they figured out my personality, they figured out my vibe, and they sent me the perfect collection for me. You can also shop by occasion, which is perfect, so you can just describe the occasion you're going to, the vibe of it, and they will pick out the perfume that is the best fit for that occasion. So the holidays are coming up, Valentine's Day is right around the corner, and I think that these fragrances are the perfect gift idea and obviously a little treat for yourself. So go ahead and click the link down below and use my code LADYCODE20 to get 20% off of your first purchase. All the links and the discount code are linked down below so you can learn more about Rebel Scents, and I'll see you guys in my next video.